Make your brand the center of attention with our 10 by 20 foot custom canopy tent, built to stand out, rain or shine. Lightweight and portable, it comes neatly packed in a carry bag. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. Set the frame in place, lightweight yet incredibly strong. As you expand the frame, peak supports rise to form the canopy's signature top. Pre-attached Velcro on both the frame and the canopy makes setup fast and foolproof. Place the canopy top over the frame and align the corners. Lock the frame securely in place using our built-in snap lock system. Wrap the fabric tightly around the legs for extra stability. And just like that, your custom canopy is event-ready for topper-only setup. Add a back wall for extra brand coverage using Velcro. For complete branding, add sidewalls, available in half and full coverage options. Insert the horizontal support bar through the side panel loop. Attach the clip securely to the upright frame. Fit the horizontal bar into the clip and tighten using the screw lock. Secure sidewalls with reinforced Velcro wraps for a clean finish. Your complete event shelter is now ready, fully branded and fully secure. On soft surfaces, tie down your canopy with ropes and stakes for wind resistance. On hard surfaces, use optional sandbags for added stability.
So from quick setups to full event coverage, Banner Buzz Custom Canopy Tents are your brand is perfect outdoor partner.